Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw on Bybit. So in order to withdraw from Bybit, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and log in into your Bybit account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to directly take you to the interface, something like this. So basically, when you're actually doing trading or withdrawing sort of amount from Bybit, you need to make sure that your account is already verified. So in order to begin with the procedure, go ahead and tap on the asset icon located in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. After that, it's going to directly take you to my asset page, and here you need to go to withdraw. So tap on the withdraw button located right over here, and here you need to go ahead and enter in your information, that is where you're actually going to. So first thing, you need to set up two-factor authentication. So for that, you need to add an email address, and you need to set up a Google two-factor authentication. And if you want to do it so, then just go ahead and tap on setup now, and it's gonna verify. And after that, you can begin with the verification process. So complete the puzzle first of all. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you have to enter in the verification code that's going to be sent through the registered email address. And after that, it's going to set a two-factor authentication. So here you need to go ahead and enter in the information. So after you're done entering the verification or setting up a two-factor authentication, then it's going to directly take you to the other field where you need to go ahead and enter in the recipient details, where you're actually withdrawing the amount and all sort of details, and then you successfully withdraw from Bybit. So that's basically how you can withdraw. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.